This is a video of the ultimate Nerf gun battle. Here's my partner over here who's gonna be doing it. And here's me. We'll view the Nerf guns. This bow and arrow doesn't really do anything. And this you can use.
This is like a gun. Like, if you pull this back, this will move and it makes some noise. You can hold it like this. If you're not going to shoot, then you hold it like that. Then you can shoot. When you're going to shoot, you hold on to this. You pull this back, which you already use. And then you press this, and then it'll launch. And then that's it.
Have the laser right there. You have to press this button and hold this battery. You can shoot XV700. You can load that back, and it can break a skull when it fires. The Cyclone. The Cyclone. Nerf Elite Nerf Strike. One of the best sounds. EX3 Elite. Just pull that down and
These guns,
this is hard.
these guns are like the same.
The slime ball Nerf gun. You load it back 8 times, and then there's the slime ball. You push this back over here 2 times, and then it shoots out so fast with some smoke left behind.
We're doing a Nerf gun fight.
Nerf guns, and now we